Mama's Bacon Apple Pie is actually a very fun one. So for this, I want you to put your 10 fingers in front of you. See the numbers 3 and 3, 1 and 1. We're going to wiggle both hands together with the same number. Follow me. 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. And let right hand play. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. Next. 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay, let's put that into the music and see how it goes. 3 in the right hand on E, 3 on the left hand on the bass C. Let's go. 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. Again, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. Let's play a scale going up and down. This is tricky. Play it together. And back to 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. Look at the left hand first. Put 3 on bass C. 3, 3, 1, 3, 1. Next page. Now let's play that scale starting on 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's go back to 3, 3, 1, 3, 1. Now let's add in the right hand. 3 on middle E. A scale. A scale again. Now let's go up from 2.